like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gemma, so let's get straight into the video. So guys, I know it's been so long since I did a video. It's been like over a week, but as you guys know, I'm back at work now, so I've been extremely busy. I've just taken some time to, concentrate on my clients at work, and I have a free day today, so I thought, why not do a video today? Today we are going to be doing a Boohoo haul. I'm super excited. You guys know how much I love Boohoo, so I'm going to be showing you guys some plus size outfits that I bought from Boohoo. I went on to Boohoo and I picked up a few summer outfits. So these are all summer outfits that I could wear for work and stuff. I'm going to be trying them on, and then yeah, you guys can comment down below on what you think on the outfit. So guys, this is what I got. It's a grey dress. I bought it in a size 16 in grey. It's a long sleeve skater dress, I think. So I'm going to show you what I received. So yeah, this is what I got, guys. It's nothing like what I bought. I don't even know whether this is a top or a dress. Yeah, I don't even know what to say about this. It's absolutely horrible. So guys, this is the second outfit that I got. It's literally a grey biker shorts and a top that matches with it. I bought it in a size 18 in grey, and yeah, it's really cute. I'm going to show you what I received. So guys, this is what I received. It's actually not that bad. I do like it, but the material is quite light, so I don't think I'll be able to wear this for work. But yeah, it is kind of what I bought, so yeah. So guys, this is the third outfit. This beautiful black dress. I got this in a size 18. They have different colors of it, but I bought mine in black because I'm planning to wear it for work. So yeah, this is the dress. It's really cute. And this is what I received. Yes, I got what I bought, thank God. It's really pretty. I like the way it flatters my body. I really do like this dress, and I think I can actually wear this for work. So yeah, I do like it. So guys, this is the fourth outfit that I bought. It's another biker shorts with a jumper top. I bought this in a size 18 in black, and this is what I received. Not really quite happy as I cannot wear this for work. It's not really work appropriate, so I'll probably wear it home. The top is a bit light so you can see my bra, so yeah, I'm not. So the next outfit that I bought is this biker shorts. I bought it for £6, so I'm not really expecting much of it. I got it in a size 16 and in black. So yeah, this is how it looks. And this is what I received. Actually not bad. I actually got to what I bought, so yeah, I'm not gonna complain. It is quite see-through, as Boohoo materials are normally light, but I do like it. So my next outfit is this matching set. I think I really do like the matching set this year. I bought it in grey and size 18, and this is what I received. It's not bad. I do like it, but I feel like I could have gone a size down. Guys, my last outfit is this beautiful grey peplum top. It's really cute. I like it. You can open the zip or you can have it closed. It's really flattering on my body, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. So guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.